So, to answer that question of yours, Uginla. Anyway, so our next artist on the Himalayan Music Festival is someone who is one of the most celebrated youth, especially as a singer in Ladakh. He has shared the stage with Bollywood singers like Kailash Kher and Neeti Mohan. What are we waiting for? Can we please give a big round of applause for Faisal Khan Ashoor?
Wow, Faisal Khan Ashoor.
आइए पधारिए और चार चांद लगाइए.
Tashdle, Jile everyone. Sammala losa Tashdle. Jile. Can you please from starting please? Ladaksi gaane Yang boleh Jixten ton peseru Chalo yang boleh Tangri tangri gyal skilla Tham tham you do Kamari tangri girls killa Ya chu tham tham you do Ni promise ke you la Ta chem chem se chenya Ni promise ke you la Ni promise ke ya Jixten ton peseru Choka yang boleh Shop 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 Riri gel tam tak chung seru Tat gusi gun kam jusyo Riri gel tam tak chung seru Gusi gun kang jusyo gun kang la kang nang la susum shila jusyo gun kang la kang nang la susum shila jusyo aha so nam chanji ni yuli mi maskun one more Jixten ton peseru अगर आता हो तो प्लीज Jixtenton pezeru Miske yullada chaso Jixtenton pezeru Miske yullada chaso Ahas ipala Nipa miske yulbo Ahas ipala Nipa miske yulbo Jixtenton pezeru 谢谢，谢谢，之类。